Ready to make pro level AI videos in just minutes? In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to create an AI generated catwalk fashion video using a free AI video generator tool and a free AI music generator tool. With Pollo AI and Tad AI, combining AI video and AI music has never been simpler. Let's kick it off with Pollo AI. Pollo AI is a high quality AI video tool that lets users turn ideas into impressive videos without needing complex tools. We've all seen AI video generators before, but this is a fantastic new one you can actually start using for free. And you can create these images using text to video. Here are some other examples on the website, complete with what the prompt was for each of the videos that were made. We'll just skip through these real quick. Or image to video, and here's a few examples, starting off with an image, and we have the video, and here's a painting that's been turned into a video. That's pretty cool as well. So to get started, as I said before, it's free to try, so click try Pollo AI, and later on I'll show you how to get a discount code if you want to upgrade to a premium account. So here we are on the dashboard of Pollo AI's video creation tool. So we'll get started with the text to video for now and then try image to video later. So I'll just start off by creating a new account, and then later I'll show you my professional account where I've got more credits waiting for me. There we go, I've logged into one of my Gmail accounts and you can see up the top, we have 20 credits, which is enough for 2 video creations, and that refreshes each day. So let's start working on our short fashion parade video. Real quick, looking at the dashboard, on the left here we have the prompt, which have a maximum of 200 characters. We have different modes, standard or professional. This will use more credits, which you'll need a pro account for. We have aspect ratio, and then prompt strength, so slide it to the left and it will be more creative based on what our prompt is, and slide it to the right to really make it stick to the prompt that we've asked it for. Max length is 5 seconds for standard mode, and for professional you get 10 seconds, which is actually quite a lot for an AI video generator in this day and age. We have some controls here for camera movement. I won't play with that just at the moment. And then you can put in a negative prompt to take out things you don't want. Okay, let's get started with the prompt. And we have a fashion model struts confidently down a well-lit catwalk runway. I'll select 16:9 and keep the prompt strength at about 50% for this first generation. And you can see down the bottom we have credits required is 10, so we'll go ahead and click create, and then that'll take a few minutes to prepare, so let's just skip through that. Great, that's all done in a reasonable amount of time, and you can see the result here. It's actually looking quite good. The model is strutting nicely down the catwalk, and she's got that model swing to her hips, which is nice. Her hair is bouncing convincingly, and her face is looking pretty good too. You can see in the background we have other models walking backstage, and then the audience members on the left and right all look pretty convincing as well. So overall I'm going to give that about an 8 out of 10. Okay, from here it's easy to download. Just click this button here. And as you can see, because it's the free version, we're going to have to go with the watermark, but if you want it without the watermark, you need to upgrade. So let's just download that for now. And we're going to do another creation. So this time we'll use the same prompt, and I'm going to crank the slider to follow the prompt at about 80%. So we'll go ahead and create that and then wait for it to do its magic. Great, that second generation is now finished. And you can see we have a bit more of a close-up shot here, tilting from bottom to top, maybe just featuring that outfit a bit more, which it is indeed pink. I really like this creation. I'm going to give it maybe an 8.5 out of 10. Now this will cut together nicely with the wide shot from the first image, and you can see it's quite consistent with the first video. We have the same sort of colored catwalk, the people are orientated the same way, so it's going to cut together quite nicely with the first shot. Let's now create a third snippet, this time using image to video. Okay, here we are into my upgraded account, and you can see we have 300 credits available. So I'm going to go ahead now and this time choose image to video, and I'll click to upload an image, and here's an image I created in Suno AI, which is one of my favorite AI text to video generators, and you can see all about that right here. So check that video out. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that, and I'm going to put the same prompt in as before. Choose standard again. I'm going to keep the prompt strength at 50%. Length, I'll stick with 5 seconds for this first generation, and I'm going to go ahead and create that. Wow, that's amazing. It's done a really good job of taking that specific image and turning it into a video. I'm really impressed with the strut of this particular model. She is walking pretty much exactly like a human, and that dress is flowing very nicely. I'm gonna have to give that a 9.5 out of 10, folks. Now this catwalk and the backdrop is a little bit different than that of the first 2 generations I created, but it's gonna cut together nicely in a video. Bear in mind that because I've uploaded a square image, even though I've selected 16:9, the actual video creation has come in as a square inside that 16:9 box. Okay, let's try uploading this photo. I'm gonna keep that same prompt running, just put it to 70% and go ahead and create that. Great, that video is all finished and it's looking pretty good. The lighting's quite nice. Again, we've got a beautiful model walking, absolutely convincing. It probably looks a little bit more cartoon-like than the other ones. The audience in the background looks super believable. So I'm gonna give this about an 8.5. So there's some really good scores there. The results here are absolutely amazing. It's super easy to use. You can adjust the prompt, some sliders, put in negative prompts. So even if you're the most beginner AI video generation user, you'll be able to get some great results with this. Again, it's completely free to try, but if you put in both my special link and my coupon code, you'll get 20% off any upgraded plan. Now that we've finished creating our AI video snippets, let's go ahead and create some AI music to help put together this short fashion music video. Moving on to TAD AI. TAD AI is a fast way to create royalty-free music in any style. Unleash infinity music possibilities with TAD AI, with genre and mood adjustments to be able to match any project. You can generate in seconds, helping you find the perfect track without delays. It's royalty free and copyright free, meaning you can use it for commercial purposes. And what's cool is it isn't just music, it creates lyrics for you. So you could give it the flavor or maybe the theme of the lyrics and it will come and make it its own. Or just give it one little prompt and it will go ahead and make all the lyrics itself and incorporate it into the music. Like Pollo AI, it is free to get started. So just go ahead and click generate AI songs for free. You can go in and start a new account by just clicking sign up, just like we did before with Pollo AI. Okay, here we are logged in. We're on a free account where you get to try it out with 6 free songs. Looking through the dashboard, you can see it's very user friendly and simple to use. Here we put in the name of the song and it'll actually create some album art for you as well, which is a nice bonus. Here you can put in the full lyrics, type in 1 or 2 words, or let the AI generate it entirely for you. Down the bottom with advanced features, you have the actual genre you can choose. So I'm going to go with electronic music for this music video. And for the mood, well, let's go with upbeat this time round. Let's type in a title for the song, Fashion All Around. Let's just put Fashion All Around as the lyrics. And I do have 2,000 characters I can use for the lyrics. So that's nice and easy to set up. Let's hit the go button and see what it comes back with. Great, that's finished. It only took probably a minute and we have 2 results here. Here we go, Fashion All Around number 1. Maybe a little bit slow. Wait for the beat drop. All around, it's a male voice, not bad. Okay. Pretty good start, hey? Let's try the second option. All around. Or maybe European feels. They're both probably a little bit slow. That might be because it's upbeat. Maybe next one I might try epic. But you get the idea. It's actually really cool. Like the beat's right on. There's no glitches. The beat's just constant throughout. It has predictable beat drops, which is great. And the lyrics have actually come through pretty nicely. So from here you can just easily download it, or you've even got the reuse prompt, which if you use that, it'll go through and create some new lyrics for you. Okay, I've logged into my pro account now and I've got a song here called Fashion Music Video with the lyrics starting with Let's Get This Fashion. We've gone with electronic epic. It's given me 2 results and this is the one that I like. Starts off nice and slow, it's got that build up, waiting for that beat drop to come and then the lyrics to hit. Let's get this fashion, I'm alone, the sun just above you. Let's get this fashion. Okay, and then later on it kind of goes like this. Beat drop. Okay, finally we have the album art that's been created for our song. I also didn't mention before about AI lyrics, so there's a feature here called AI Generate. And once I put in a little bit about the song and press the go button, you can see we've got the lyrics here written out for us. And now when I create that song, those lyrics will be incorporated into the new AI music track, which I'll do real quickly. Great, that's all done. Let's play through that a little bit. You can see it's exactly incorporated those lyrics into the song and put the AI music in the background. Really awesome. Okay, so far I'm totally impressed with TAD AI. It's definitely the best free alternative to Suno AI. Now I'm going to go away and edit the video snippets from Pollo AI and put them together with the music from TAD AI and come straight back. Great, that's all done. Let's have a look at the result. Let's get this fashion, I'm alone, the sun just above you. Brilliant, that's a 20-second long music video, all made from AI generated video of a fashion catwalk, along with music from an AI music generator. It's so amazing how far we've come with AI. This is completely mind-blowing. 2 or 3 years ago, there was nothing like this. Combining TAD AI and Pollo AI gives you the ultimate tool set of the best free AI tools for crafting polished, cohesive AI videos just like this one. With Pollo's AI video generator and TAD's AI music generator, reaching a pro level is easy. Use my special promo link and promo code below for free access and exclusive discounts. So yeah, click below to start transforming your ideas into standout videos for business, education, or just for fun. Since we're making AI content, check out this video next to see the best free AI website builder. Builder, a customized done-for-you website solution in just minutes. Also, subscribe to the channel so you can get more AI updates as they happen. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.